What's up, guys? Hector Rodriguez, day trader here in the gym, and I want to talk to you about some psychology of why you haven't been successful in trading. You might have the technicals down. I'm speaking from my experience. You might have the technicals down, and then when you get in the trade, you get out early, then it goes into profit, and you get frustrated, right? So what I'm here to tell you is that you have bad psychology. But this is something that people don't talk about. They don't talk about the relationship that you have with money. So if you got the technicals down and you got the skill set down and you're still not making money, you may have a bad relationship with money in general. Okay, so there's two scenarios. You have a lot of money, you have capital, and you attach that capital. What you do is you attach that capital to how hard you work to get that capital. Most people worked very hard to get their money. So when they lose $1,000, $500, $2,000, whatever, on a trade, they attach that loss to how hard they worked to make that money. Dang, that was two weeks of hard saving. That was 2 months of hard saving. So you're attaching the money that you lost to how much work you put in. Put it this way. Say you worked hard and you have 50K in the bank. You worked hard for that money. How about, let's switch the scenario. Somebody just gave you 50K. You didn't have to work for that 50K. Would you be more scared to risk $1,000 of the 50K that was given to you, or $1,000 of the 50K that you worked for? The true answer is you'd be less risk adverse. You'd be more scared to risk the 50K that you worked for, because you attach it to the work that you had to put in to get that money. But the 50K was given to you, so you're, whatever, I'll risk 1,000, I'll still have 49K. You didn't work for that $1,000, it was given to you, right? The 50K was given to you. So changing your relationship with money, and it's tough, it takes time, because society has shaped us to be so scarce and so frugal-minded. Oh, we gotta save this money. But really, you need money to make money, and money makes the world go round. And you need to stop seeing the money you work for as like, oh, I gotta go to work. This sucks, I have to go to work. I have to go make this money. See it as just, it's a way of life. I get to go to work. I get to go make money. Change the perspective. Just see work as a way of life. Don't see it as work, just see it as something that you have to do. It's just part of life. And so you start to detach yourself from the money that you're gonna get from that job. Therefore, making it easier to invest and risk that capital in the markets when it's time to take the setup, right? So I'm in the gym right now, and I'm just speaking from my own experience and from the heart. To be honest, when I get my blood oxidative levels up, lifting weights, running, exercise, hit training, I feel like I'm congruent with God, and I get this message to speak this out. So I just got done with my workout, and I'm speaking this out to you guys. Short message, short video, but straight to the point. This is something that I'm still working on, my relationship with money. Detaching myself from the money that I've worked to make and save, because that's gonna hurt me when I get into the markets. I'm gonna be scared to take that trade, right? So if you just see money as a video game, as points, as Sims, Monopoly, you start to detach yourself from it. What's one way that people maintain themselves attached to it? They look outward. They look at the person that has the nice car, the nice house. Oh, they had to make a lot of money and save a lot of money to buy that. Stop. Don't compare yourself to anybody or anything. That's gonna destroy you. That's also something I work on every single day, right? Because we have materialistic goals. It's not bad to have materialistic goals. Those are good short-term goals, as well as the long-term play. But anyways, guys, short video, straight to the point. We out. Hector Rodriguez. Good luck in the markets, y'all. Peace.